Thank you for choosing BaseVac Dental Compressor to power your clinic. This video will illustrate the suggested maintenance of the BaseVac S and D series compressors. The following are simple preventative maintenance tips that the dental clinic team can perform. To prevent damage to the compressor after hours, be sure to turn the power off at the end of the day. There are two ways to safely turn off your compressor: manually on the compressor itself or with the remote low voltage switch. Next, ensure the compressor area is clear of any items stored nearby. Do not store any chemicals or flammable material near the compressor as per NFPA guidelines. Periodically, check to make sure both heads are working on a dual compressor. If one has failed, the other will follow suit. Make a note of the sound your compressor makes when performing correctly. If the compressor heads begin to act irregularly, call your service technician. For reference, here's the sound of a compressor head when it's functioning correctly. Check your mechanical room temperature to ensure it is below 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius. High temperatures will shorten the lifespan of your compressor. If the temperature is a concern, we recommend installing a 500 CFM fan and a fresh air intake into your mechanical room. This will allow the hot air to be pulled away, while allow cool air to be circulated in. The following are simple preventative maintenance tips that can be performed by a dental clinic team or your service technician. When the clinic is not operating, watch the compressor gauge to see if it is losing any pressure. Pressure loss indicates air loss in the system, which could cause your motor to continuously run. Open the valve at the bottom of the tank to release any moisture and liquids. There should be minimal, if any, liquid in the tank. If there is a lot of liquid, call your service technician for testing of the desiccant dryer. The following are simple maintenance tasks that can be performed by a service technician of a trusted BaseVac dealer. Please note, all electrical wiring must be conducted by a qualified electrician. Ensure power to the compressor is between 210 and 230 volts, and adjust at the buck boost transformer as needed. The ideal voltage is 220 volts on a BaseVac compressor. To check to make sure the compressor isn't drawing too much amperage for each motor, first remove the cover to the breaker control box while the compressor is off. Next, locate the corresponding white wire feeding from each motor head. Proceed to attach an electrical clamp meter and turn on the compressor power. Make note of the amperage reading and compare this to the ideal amperage on the label of the motor. Inlet filters on the compressor heads should be checked occasionally for cleanliness to ensure free flow of clean air to the compressor heads. Contact us to order replacement filters every 1 to 2 years. To clean the purge valve on each desiccant dryer, begin by using a wrench to unscrew the magnetic coil from the purge valve. Next, gently unscrew the purge valve. Clean out any silica pellets that may have entered into the purge valve before reattaching the housing on the desiccant dryer. On each desiccant dryer, remove the moisture trap filter housing, making sure not to lose the O-ring within. Filters must be replaced every 1 to 2 years. Contact us in order to order your replacement filter. Every 5 to 6 years, replace the silica desiccant pellets. Begin by removing the desiccant dryer from the compressor, using a wrench to unthread the bolts. Proceed to remove the top from the desiccant dryer. Using a brush or a cloth, clean out the gasket within the top of the desiccant dryer, and pour out the old silica beads. Use compressed air to blow out the chamber to make sure it's clean. Then pour in the new beads. Contact BaseVac to order your replacement desiccant beads. Thank you again for choosing BaseVac compressors. Please contact us at 1-800-668-8736 or info@basevacdental.com for any additional inquiries you may have. You can also visit us at www.basevacdental.com to learn more about our wide variety of dental mechanical room products.